So welcome to our 2005 Peterson Excel 33 RSE fifth wheel unit. It has a lot of nice features in it, and we'll go through that as we go through the rest of this video. First thing I want to point out is that this unit has 3 slides. This is the slide that goes for the living room area where the couch is, and then the other 2 slides are on the opposite side. We do have skirting around that, and that would be included with the sale of this unit as well. We'll go through some of the storage here. So this unit does have quite a bit of storage, both interior and exterior. Going exterior, we've got these big storage areas here. This opens up from underneath, and it measures, well, the storage actually goes all the way to the front. So the storage would be behind this entire area here. So it probably measures about 5.5 feet long by about, it's about 2.5 feet high, and then the width of the entire unit as well. So that would be about 8.5 feet wide as well. So you can access the storage from this side, from the front, or from the other side as well, which has another compartment that looks just like this. So from the back end of the unit, this is of course where the desk area is inside, and the recliner chair. We've got our stool that goes up the roof, and on the roof there's actually an additional storage bin area which measures approximately 6 feet long by 3 feet high by about 1 foot tall for storing additional items outdoors, inside that enclosed roof storage area on a roof rack, and that's also included with this unit. So this is looking from the street side of the unit. You can see the bedroom slide, and then the main living room slide, which is where the kitchen and the dining room area is. And we've got access in here for propane, water, and the storage that looks just like the storage on the other side of the unit. Okay, I just want to demonstrate how this couch works, and it folds out into a bed, and it has storage underneath. So there's 2 little pull handles that you pull up here, and that flips over like that, and then if you open up this, there's all kinds of storage underneath there. And then by flipping this down, and then this back part flips over this way, and then you've got a little handle on the left hand side here. This flips down. Now you've got a nice flat bed. So that is how the couch works in this Excel unit. I just wanted to point out that in the slide out area of this Excel, there are 3 cabinets above here. They're really good hard wood, and there's all kinds of room for storage. They flip up like this. This measures, well, it's a foot. So that should be plenty of space. And then in depth, it's about, it's 8 inches in depth, and about 1 foot in height, for having these 3 flip-up cupboard areas for storage here. And I just wanted to point out a couple other features of this Excel sofa here. So it's got a flip-down center area here with nice places for cups and so on. A magazine area, keep your TV guides or whatever you want in there. And then also the leg rests flip up. So lots of convenient options with this Excel sofa here. So this is the rear of the unit. So we've got a recliner here, and the recliner works like any typical recliner. Of course, the chair, the foot rest comes out, and we've also got a desk area in here. So there's a desk over here. We've got our computer set up here, and printers, of course, can be set up however. There's some drawers here, so plenty of desk storage area. And then up above, there are some cabinets. And you can't see the whole cabinet from this shot, but they are approximately 19 inches high by about 8 inches deep. So lots of storage area in the rear of the unit here. Okay, so this is the dining room table area, and nice dining room table sits for above the dining room table. We have the 3 flip-up cabinets that are similar to the opposite side. This whole this whole side wall slides out here, and these cabinets are approximately about 1 foot in height and about 8 inches in depth. So you got that whole slide out area with the windows on the 2 sides here. And so this is the entertainment area, and I just wanted to point out, I'll go ahead and tilt down and show all the different features, but TV, of course, on top, and this does flip out, so you can have all kinds of storage behind here. And then down below here, as we tilt down, we've got space for whatever type of entertainment console. There is a flip-down drawer here, and that allows you to pull out, and you could have a desk kind of situation over here as well. And then at the bottom, is the electric fireplace. So the electric fireplace is really easy, and it does put out a lot of heat. So you can just flip it on for the heat, and then flip it on for the light, and you've got a nice fireplace going there. And there are settings for the heat level and all that kind of thing. Really nice and toasty on those cold winter days. So I just wanted to point out the refrigerator area. You've got your freezer on top and your refrigerator underneath. This is all in the slide out area. So the slide out extends this full wall here. And then you've got a slide out pantry. So lots of room for food storage in the slide out pantry. And then of course a pretty decent size full switch over propane or AC refrigerator here. So this is the kitchen area with the stove, oven underneath, and the microwave. Full disclosure, the microwave works fine, but the door button is not functional right now. So I guess it would take a simple fix to get that door button enabled. Above the microwave is a fairly large cupboard area. It measures about 13 inches tall, and it's about 19 inches deep. And then there's a cabinet to the side that measures about 31 inches tall by the same amount of inches deep. And there's another cabinet on the right-hand side, and it's kind of an angled cabinet. And it's got a couple shelves in it, and that measures, well, it's at an angle, but it's measures the same height. It's really the same size as this cabinet here, which is also about 1 foot wide. The cabinet above the microwave area is approximately about 23 inches wide. So this would be the sink area, which is adjacent to the stove area. And so you've got a double sink here. We installed this little sprayer nozzle here, and that's really nice to have for washing dishes with the double sink. And then cabinets above. So the cabinets are approximately 1 foot deep and about 30 inches high. And you've got 1, 2, 3, and then on the opposite side of that 1, and then underneath the sink There's also some other cabinets that has a built-in trash storage here. So this is about 34 inches high by the depth of the sink, which is about 2 feet deep. And then there's drawers over here on this side. So we've got 4 drawers on this side of the cabinet of the countertop area here, and for silverware and what other kinds of miscellaneous kitchen items you would need. Okay, so this is the bathroom area, and we have our shower area, the dryer, and washer underneath. These are compact size washer and dryer, but they're still pretty good size. Much better than having a combination washer and dryer, because you can be doing your wash and your drying simultaneously, and you have quite a bit of space in there. Okay, so looking the other direction at the bathroom, toilet area, and then the sink is over here, and then below the sink we've got a cabinet storage. This measures about 2 feet wide by about 17 inches deep, and about a foot high. And there's also 2 drawers underneath here. So each drawer measures about 7 inches high. And then above the toilet, there's also another cabinet up here in the corner, and that measures about 8 inches deep and about 20 inches high. And then above the, I know we can't see it in the shot, but above the sink area, we've got a medicine cabinet, and it's a really nice hardwood medicine cabinet. It measures about 2 feet high and about 6 inches deep, and about 2 feet wide as well. So 2 feet by 2 feet by 6 inches. So pretty good size room in the bathroom area here. Okay, so this is the bedroom area. It's a queen size bed, and then above the bed there are a couple of cabinets, so good amount of storage, and then a shelf above that as well. Windows on both sides. This is the slide out area here, and so these cabinets measure about a foot high, and they're corner, so it's about 10 inches at the deepest part there. And then the closet area, you've got 2 sides of the closet here, and the closet is fairly deep, so it is about it's about a 1.5 feet deep, and it's the full height of this bedroom area, and this full bedroom area height is approximately about 6 feet. So that, and then on the left hand side here, there's a chest of drawers. So we've got 6 drawers here, and then above the chest of drawers is the TV cabinet area. And then on the other side of the bedroom here, we've got a couple of extra cabinets that measure about 8 inches deep and about 15 inches high, and then there's a laundry closet, or for linens and things like that in this area here. Below that linen closet is a fold-out hamper, and that fold-out hamper measures about 2 feet high, and in that cabinet area it's about a foot deep. So the linen closet is about a foot deep. There's a couple of extra storage cabinets underneath there as well that are about a foot deep as well, and then a drawer, a vanity drawer. So you've got lots of storage options here in the bedroom area, and especially extending the area with that slide out. I also want to mention that the entire bed does fold up, and there is storage underneath the bed as well. So that measures basically the same size as the queen size bed, about 50 inches wide and about a foot high or so. So by the length of the queen size bed, which run that back there, it's about 6.5 feet. So so you got that storage underneath there, and this is on gas jack, so it just flips back down for accessing that under bed storage.